Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of grammar, in which we will learn about uncountable nouns. So, open up page number 30 and let's get started. To know about uncountable nouns, we will first of all read the text on this page. We were learning about the environment in school. So, our teacher took us on a tour of the city. We saw a power plant. It was a very big building with lots of smoke coming out of the chimneys. It made the sky look dark. We saw a canal. The water was dark and full of rubbish. The soil around it was also spoiled. There was a lot of pollution all around. So, in the text, we looked at the words that were highlighted in red color. They are known as uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun is one that we cannot count. For example, we cannot count how much smoke is there. Now, let's do an activity. Make a list of uncountable nouns on a loose sheet. For example, I wrote down the word water. Water is an uncountable noun because we cannot count it.